Thinking about buying a drone but stuck between the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Air 2S? Before you make your decision, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you find this video helpful. It really supports the channel and helps us bring you more honest gear reviews, just like this. All right, let's dive into the comparison. First up, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone is ultra-compact and weighs just under 249 grams, which means you can fly it in many countries without needing registration. It's perfect for travel, hiking, or anyone who doesn't want to lug around a bulky case. The Mini 3 Pro packs a punch with its 48-megapixel camera, capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second. And with vertical shooting support, you can create perfect content for Instagram Reels or TikTok straight out of the sky. Flight time? Up to 34 minutes, which can stretch even longer with the optional Plus battery. It also features tri-directional obstacle sensing, covering forward, backward, and downward directions, giving you a bit more confidence while flying. Now the drawbacks. It doesn't have side or upward sensors, so obstacle avoidance is a bit more limited than on higher-end drones. And while it's great in daylight, its performance in low-light settings can't quite match larger drones. Still, for the price, portability, and ease of use, the Mini 3 Pro is hard to beat. Now let's talk about its biggest competitor, the DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S is a more robust drone with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's the same size found in some professional compact cameras, and it allows for 5.4K video recording at 30 frames per second with a noticeable boost in dynamic range and low-light performance. You'll get 4-directional obstacle sensing, including upward sensors, making it a safer bet for complex environments or cinematic flying. The flight time is slightly shorter at around 31 minutes, but the camera performance is on another level. The Air 2S also includes master shots and focus track, allowing you to film advanced shots with just a few taps. On the downside, it's heavier at 595 grams, which means you'll likely need to register it depending on your location. It's also priced higher, around $999 compared to roughly $759 for the Mini 3 Pro. So, what's the verdict? If you want something portable, powerful, and social media friendly, go with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But if you care more about cinematic quality, obstacle sensing, and advanced features, the Air 2S is well worth the upgrade. Let us know which one you're leaning toward in the comments. And again, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more drone reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!